For my Teach It video this week on Chapter 5, I chose to do the problem 5.1c, problem 3 and 15. Now with this problem it is, explain why b negative a and a negative b are additive inverses of each other. Okay, so to solve this problem, how you explain why negative b and negative a and a negative b are additive inverses of each other, it is because to find the additive inverse of each other means what a number you add to get with another to get 0. It's the number we add basically to b to get a. So for example, if you had 3 plus negative 3, that would equal 0. And the additive inverse of that is our negative 3 plus, and our positive 3 here. So this one is pretty simple, kind of straightforward. There's not like too many explanations you can give besides that. And of course, there's always other examples too that basically prove this theorem. For example, we can do negative a plus negative b, add that to a plus b. That would equal a plus negative a plus a and negative b plus positive b. We will basically get 0 because these cancel each other out. Our negative and our positives end up in the end canceling each other out and giving us 0 because we have our additive inverses here. So additive inverse of each other is basically a number that you will add on to the other number to reach 0. With problem 15, it is explaining to a student like why should negative a on a number line be to the left of 0 and not to the right. So if I have a student that has a number line and writes their negative numbers to the right of 0 and not to the left, would explain this again is like a pretty straightforward one. It's the rule of a number line is all the negative numbers go to the left of 0, which is how we separate our negatives from our positive. And all positives numbers go to the right of 0. So if my student wrote negative a to the right of 0, you would basically just have to correct and say negative a would go to the left of 0 because it is negative. That's basically like the rule of our number line for geometry settings, for like everything. It's all negatives go to the left of 0 and all positives are to the right of 0, which is how we properly do our problems. That is all for chapter 5.